Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's tutorial, I'm going to help you learn how to add a debit card on Amazon. If you want to add a payment method in Amazon, then this video is for you. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to add a debit card on Amazon, go open your web browser and type in www.amazon.com and press the enter on your keyboard. If you're not signed into your account, go ahead and sign into your account first, and from the home screen of Amazon, what you'll need to do is go to Accounts and Lists at the upper right, and then from this list, click on your account. Under your account, you can click on your payments option over here, right beside the gift cards option, and in this page, make sure you're clicked on to wallet option, and under wallet, go and click on add a credit or debit card option right here. Now in the pop-up, you can go ahead and enter your credit or debit card information. In order to add a card, enter your card number in the first text field that you see. Now, type in the name on the card in the next text field. Select your expiration date of the card by choosing from the drop-down. If you want to set this card as your default payment method, make sure this box is checked. If not, simply uncheck the box and click on Add Your Card. If you want to add your card from a bank or mobile pay app, you can go and click on Link Your Card and add your card from any existing bank account of yours. Once you're done setting up your card information, go and click on Add Your Card, and you'll be able to add a new payment method, and you can easily add or update your payment method from your Amazon account. Remember that updating a payment method in your Amazon wallet won't change the payment method to any open orders you've already placed. And that is how you can easily add a debit card or a payment method in Amazon. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.